Okay, welcome back. Now it's time to discuss about the revalidate path, revalidate path, and another one is revalidate text. So first of all, we are discussing about the revalidate text. So if you wanna use it like that way, so what's this use case? Revalidate text allows you to parse cache data on demand for specific cache tag. Okay, and it has the parameter. Okay, I'm using it. Let's see. This is our API. This is our API call, and I'm declaring a text, so it will be on demand. Revalidate our cache. So I am whatever name you can provide. So I am giving it name Shakil, and same name you have to provide over here. Otherwise, it will not work. So it will be recognized by the way. Okay. So here revalidate text. You have to bring it from next cache. Then in the API, face API, you have to declare next text, say whatever the name, and revalidate user text. You have to provide it like that way. And in the I have a create a form over here. You see, I'm showing you the output. I'm showing a form. So if I click this form, data will be updated automatically without reloading the page. Okay, it will give instant update. So let's create a new user. We have existing 1 2 3 4 user. I'm creating a new user, say its name is cache or revalidate. Okay, revalidate. Column. Okay, now come here, refresh the user list. Revalidate cache without page reloading. So it's revalidating the cache. Okay, so can you understand? So I am providing rest of the things are simple. The React or Next.js component, this is JSX, and I am mapping. You are very much used to and familiar with this code, but this is new. Next text Shakil, and you have to provide the similar name over here and use it in the function in the form revalidate user text. So our data is revalidating. Now we will discuss another thing, revalidate path. Okay, revalidate path allows you to parse cache data on demand, and both are on demand for a specific path. Okay, so you can read it. Revalidate path does not return any value. Page revalidate layout path. You can layout path revalidate all data. If you use it in the layout, you can invalidate all data. But as all data is not needed, so we are using it over here. So instead of text, I am using revalidate path. And which path we want to revalidate? This path. Okay, so you don't need to provide the page URL, just users /users. Okay, just /users, and create a new user. I'm saving it. Revalidate path. Okay, so if we refresh, we are getting revalidated path. So we are not giving page refresh. Instead, we are use refresh as a button. A button is providing us the updated data, not a stale data, updated data. So this is the activity of revalidate path and revalidate text. Okay, So both are providing the on-demand data. Okay, revalidate path allows you to cast. So this is the path, and remember it. You don't need to provide the base URL. Just provide the slash portion. Okay, which page you want to revalidate path. So we just provided slash users, and if you provide tags, you have to give a name. By this name, it will be recognized. So if the name does not match, it will not work. Okay. So I hope that will make sense. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned, stay connected. And both are on demand. Okay, you see, revalidate path allows you to parse cache data on demand for a specific path. And go to the tags. It is also on demand. So what we are demanding? Okay, revalidate tags allows you to parse data cache on demand for a specific cache tag. Okay, you can provide like that way. So you can experiment this portion or these examples so you will understand better. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon.